Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx. Let's see what they have here that's left in home decor, guys. Not very much left. And let's take a look, guys. So this pot over here, oh my goodness, it's beautiful, isn't it? $7.99. And this one here, $5.99, guys. And then this pretty green one over here is $9.99. Then you have this pot here. I'm loving that pot. That's a little bit heavy. So guys, you have this one here with this print for $5.99. And here's this one for $7.99. And guys, this is the bigger one for $12.99. Then you have this one for $7.99. And then this one's on clearance, guys, for $12.99. Look how huge that is. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful, guys? This one is $5.99, that one is $12.99. And look, this is one of my favorite. That's $6.99. We have this one over here, guys. That's absolutely gorgeous. $7.99. And look at the size of this pot. And look at these. You know what I'm noticing? They're made all in Vietnam. $9.99. That's absolutely gorgeous. And there's the other one over there. Let me see if I can get to it. Okay. So this one over here is $9.99. So that one must be slightly bigger than that one. Then you have this here. Beautiful. I see a little neck right here. I'm not really sure, but there's no price on that. Look at it. That's gorgeous for outside. Then you have this rooster for $14.99, guys. And you have that humongous red pot right there, reduced to $29.99. Let's go see what those bunnies over there look like. The price. So guys, let's see. Okay, so we know that this is for outdoors. And I know this is too heavy. I can't lift it, guys. Look how beautiful that is. So here's another pot, and here's another bunny. Okay, so this bunny, maybe I can move it. That one is $16.99, guys. Isn't that one beautiful? Look at it. Then you have this bunny over here. This one is $12.99. So like I said, these guys here, let me see if I can turn them around. That's $14.99, guys, for that bunny. And then this one here. Look at those boots. Okay, so this one is $24.99. Let me back up so you can see them. Let me put them over to the side so you can see the side of him, guys. That's so funny, those shoes. So here's another one of those bunnies. And here is this bunny. Oh, look, he's covering his eyes. So that one's covering his eyes and this one his ears. But those guys are a little bit too heavy. So then we have some more flower pots down here, guys. And then we have this. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous, guys? Okay, so this one is $19.99, and that's not reduced, but that's gorgeous. Then you have this, the bird inside the cage, $7.99. And then you have this pig. That one is $12. And you have that black pot over there. Okay, let's look behind me over here, guys. Look at these wreaths, these lemon wreaths. Okay, this one is $16. Then you have these in the baskets. Aren't they pretty? Those are the tobacco baskets.
I know you're from somewhere.
Okay, guys, so you see how the labels over here, these pots, they're made in Vietnam, $9.99. And look at that humongous one on the bottom. That's $12.99. So then they have this Ray Dunn block here. This is reduced, guys, to $3. That's a good buy. Okay, guys, that is definitely a good buy. Then you have these lamps over here. Okay, and that's J. Hunt. And let me see, those are not on clearance, but they're $29.99. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? So then they have, oh my goodness, look at these bling hooks, $6.99. Then they have these, $7.99 for that pot. Then this is a lampshade. So they have all three of those lamps. And then this lampshade over here is $12.99. So look at these, guys. Aren't these beautiful? They look like crowns, these pots. $7.99. I'm loving that. Then you have this one here for $9.99. And this one here for $6.99, guys. So I'm just gonna scan that for you. Let's see, this one here is heavy. Okay, so this one is $5.99. And then you have that one back here. I don't know, let's see if I can get to a price. That is absolutely gorgeous, guys. That one doesn't have a price. Then you have this one. A lot of flower pots, $6. And then this one right here is concrete. And I think I see $7.99, guys. So look at that. I'm just gonna scan that for you. I'm loving those crown vases. So these lamps over here, like this one over here, is $19.99. That lamp right there is $39.99. Then you have this wooden one. Isn't this beautiful, guys? This one is $29.99. And then look at those. Those are $39.99 each. Then if you come over here, look at this. This is gorgeous, $14.99. Then you have this Ray Dunn. These are really nice. These are Ray Dunn, and these are $7.99 each. Then you have the smaller one of these crowns. Those are $6.99, guys. Then you have these. And there's no price on those. This one has a price, $4.99. So these two right here, guys, I'm loving the print on those pots. $4.99 each. And then these right here, a tin. This is $5.99 and that's $6.99. Here's a bunny. So let's see how much that is. $14.99. Then you have these lamps over here. Guys, look at isn't he adorable? And he's made of stones. I love it. So again, product of Vietnam. Very heavy, guys. Very heavy. And I don't see a price on that. So that's what they have here. And then we have some more pots over here. So I guess nobody's picking the pots up. But before we go over there, guys, I get so excited. So here is the lemon wreath in a tobacco basket. And let me see if I see a price on that. $13. Isn't that beautiful for $13? I think that's worth it. And they have these totes. This one says bride. So, okay, so the bride one is $5.99, but then they have that one with the pineapple, that's $7.99. I'm loving these totes, guys. Look at the beads on this one. So this, and it's huge, $12.99. Look at that. I think that's a laundry bag. Okay, so then we have these wreaths. I'm not really sure. Okay, that's $14.99 for this wreath. Then you have this one here. I think this is boxwood, but some of the boxwood is missing, guys. And look at that wreath. I'm absolutely loving that wreath. That one is made in the Philippines. A lot of imported stuff in here, $15. Then you have that one. Okay, so this one over here is lavender. So it went from $29.99 to $20, guys. And then look at that one. That's absolutely gorgeous. So that one is not reduced. It's $29.99, and then you have that one. So we have to come over here. Look at this turtle, $14.99. That pot. Then you have this one. I can't see the bottom. Let's see. I think this is the same print. So this size. Let's see if the price is inside. $7.99. So it's $7.99 for this size and $9.99 for that size. Then you have these pots right here, and these are $4.99. And this one is $5.99. Then you have this bird feeder. This is pretty heavy, guys, and that's $15. And then look at this pot right here. This one is $6.99. I'm absolutely loving that. So these are $15. Then you have these. And then look at these. I'm loving that one. So this one is $20. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Absolutely gorgeous. So I know you know we're in home decor. So, okay, so it's not too much of a mess over here. People have been tearing this store up, guys. Okay, $19.99 for that one pillow, but these are a pack of 2, and they're feather filled. That's nice, but I can't see a price. Let's see. $19.99 for these 2. Guys, those are gorgeous. And then these 2, look at these 2. Let me see if I see the tag. Okay, tag is on the bottom. $29.99 for those two, guys. Then you have this one is made in India, and that one is not reduced. It's $24.99 for one pillow. So some of them are double pack, and they're not on sale. This yellow pack is $16.99 for the two. But I'm loving the look of them. Look at them. They're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. These are made in India. Each of them are $19.99. And then look at this, buffalo check. So you got a double pack here, and they're feather filled, guys. Two for $24.99. That's a great price. Then you have those same pillow from that cream color to this peach. And I think those are just $19.99 each. So I'm just showing you because there's so many of them, guys. I get so overwhelmed. I don't even know where to look first. So look at this. Gorgeous, guys. India, $24.99 for these pillows. It's right here. That's $16.99 for that huge one. Then you have this one down here, and this one is $14.99 for that size. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? I'm loving that. So this one, $29.99, I think. So that queen comforter up there, the Vera Wang, $99.99, guys. And you have that one. Then you have this one, Restore Home. And how much is this one? It's a king size. If I can find the price, guys, I can't move it, so I don't know the price. But I know that this one is also king size. It's the same one. It's $79.99. That's pretty cool. And then you have this one here that says vintage one. Isn't that beautiful? I'm loving the colors. So I think that's $79.99 for that one. Here's another Ralph Lauren. And what size is this? I can't seem to turn that around, but this one is $39.99. So this is a full for $39.99. And look at the bee and the beehives. The bees are really big this year. Okay, so this is what Queen, Tommy Bahama Home, Cool Zone. So the tag was torn off of that. So if that's the same one, so they're probably $25 each. This one here, this is just the sheet set, $44, made in Italy. Okay, and then you have your pillowcases, 100% cotton, $7.99. This one is $5.99. And then this one over here, the Pure Collection, $7.99. Full slash queen, $69.99. Then we have the Hotel Collection, $59.99. Oasis, $59.99. This Tommy in a queen size, $59.99. This is $19.99 for the Calvin Klein. Okay, so let's see.
Can you write that down?
This is a queen size set. Tommy Bahama. I'm sorry, there's a lot of people in the store. That's for $59.99. Here's another set. Here's another Oasis, $69.99. This Tommy is $59.99, guys. These prices are pretty awesome for some good quality stuff. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.